Ultra remaps here. So we got called out from the customer to sort this out. So what's happened here is the car's had a second-hand gearbox and now the transmission needs coding. So we're gonna log into Odis online and get the coding done. At the moment, we'll put it on drive and nothing happens. Code currently displaying. So we'll start doing some coding and show you how it goes. So here we are, the coding is complete. The gearbox now belongs to this car. So there's no errors on the dashboard. So can't really move it too far forward because there's stuff everywhere, but it moves forward, moves back. So we're done. If you have any issues with your transmission and you need assistance, feel free to contact us and we'll be able to assist. Thanks for watching.